Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Friends, TCS iON Career Edge knocked down the lockdown, the digital certification course. We have got the answer for the final assessment test. Friends, if you will mark the same answer in your test final assessment, then you are going to get the complete mark. So friends, one by one I will one by one, I will be explaining all the questions and their correct answer. So friends, the total marks will be nothing but 30, pass marks is nothing but 18, and friends, attempt available and duration of the time, all this information will be given. And now, once you click on launch assessment, then friends, you can see this will be the the activity details of the participant will be given, overall percentage. Now friends, these are the marks, total marks, and how much you have scored and what are the passing marks. So friends, let us come to the first question, and this is from the business skills. There are different type of corporate dress code. Choose among the options which of the given is correct. So friends, you can say all of the options are correct. So for the question number 1, the correct answer will be nothing but fourth one, all of the options are correct. So if you come down, you can see the answer is already ticked. So all of the options are correct for the question number 1. Now question number 2, what does BCC stand for? So blind carbon copy. Okay, so option 3 will be correct. Then friends, if you come down, the structure of the functional resume should start with which of the given information? That is nothing but contact information. Then question number 4, which among the given option is not an element of non-verbal communication? So that is name of the speaker. Then question number 5, choose among the option given how can people use verbal communication? Verbal communication can happen face to face, through telephone or any other digital media where words and sounds can be exchanged. Question number 6, which of the given qualities should be exhibited in the group discussion? That is assertive. Then friends, next question will be, which among the given options should be avoided during a group discussion? Speaking fast. Then the first 4 of the 5 W's of a presentation includes the following. Choose the last W from the given option, which is what is the message. Question number 9, choose among the following option the best approach towards effective presentation. So that will be all of the options are correct. Then interview preparation before the interview should include which among the given option? All of the options are correct. Research, practice and dress well. Then friends, question number 11, in an interview, if you do not know an answer, what should you do? Choose among the following option. So admits that you do not know and can learn. Okay, next friends, soft skill are the basic requirement for any job. Which among the option is not a soft skill? Typing skill. Then which of the given options list correctly soft and hard skill? So soft skill, interpersonal skills, problem solving. So friends, next, so in a telephone conversation, what is important about the voice communicating? Choose the best option. So option 4, all of the options are important and need to be managed properly. Then what should be the mannerism when putting a caller on hold? Choose the best option. Ask if it is okay to put the caller on hold. So friends, all those things you will be definitely needing in your IT career. So these things you have to know. Then if a business purchase on credit from a supplier, how would the supplier be referred to for the business? Choose the most appropriate among the given option. So friends, that will be creditor. So creditor will be the correct answer. Okay, creditor will be the correct answer. Then friends, which of the given option is not an accounting principle? That is goodwill. Next problem, friends, which type of asset is copyright according to that? Choose among the given option. That is nothing but intangible. Then friends, for following the rules of debit and credit, choose which account does the given particular pertain to all expenses and losses? That is nothing but nominal. Then the company purchases a significant amount of supplies on credit. Which of the given options are correct considering accounting equation? So that is nothing but asset. Okay, so increase external liabilities, increase. Then next, so when a web page is requested from a browser, the HTTP request carries a lot of information as part to the header of the HTTP request. Which among the options provide header information which comes from the browser side? All of the options are correct. Accept, char set and connection. Okay, all of the options are correct. Which of the HTTP method when used in the method field leaves entire body empty? Choose among the option given. That is get. Next, which tag can be used to display an image to a web page? That is nothing but picture. Friends, most of the YouTube channel, they have given the wrong answer, so picture will be the correct answer. Now next, friends, choose the HTML attribute to define inline style. So that is nothing but style. Okay, next friends, okay, so choose the HTML element from the options given that is used to define a multi-line input field. That is nothing but text area. Next, choose the appropriate characteristics of an intelligent agent. Okay, so friends, both the options are correct. Next, which search uses the problem specific knowledge in addition to the definition of the problem statement? Choose the correct option. That is nothing but informed search. Friends, which among the option gives best describe an auto-associative network? So that is nothing but neural network that contains feedback. Next problem. The major task of NLP includes which among the given option? So that is nothing but all of the options are correct. Next. There are different type of corporate dress code. Choose among the option which of the option is correct. All of the options are correct. This is a repeated question, friends. Already we have discussed. Choose the most appropriate basic type of inferences from the option given. So reduction to propositional logic, then apply modus ponens. Next, friend, question number 4. Which among the option give best describe an auto associative network? That is nothing but neural network that contains feedback. Then friends, you can see your assessment summary. Number of questions, how many answered, number of questions, how many answered, and are you sure to submit this group of questions for marking? You cannot revisit and edit your response upon submission. So friends, thank you. Your assessment is about to submit it. So click on OK to proceed. And friends, once you proceed, then you can see assessment has been submitted successfully, and then you will be getting your marks and the certification courses. So friends, all the options whatever has given here and all those things whatever has discussed here is perfectly correct. So friends, what you have to do, you have to just tick your answers, and then you will be able to get your marks 100%. Okay, so you'll be getting 30 out of 30. And friends, so follow the answers blindly, and friends, we have verified and then we have given the answers here. Thank you for watching.